Andy and the entire Revive crew are back in California. A few days actually. They're kind of out here for like maybe 4 or 5 days. So I'm here with Mike Osterman. Hi. We're at the school. We're gonna skate this rail. I've skated this rail before. It's sick. I had a couple tricks on here. Oh God, this hurts. I've posted them in a video before. I reacted to them in my best skate tricks video. But I'm not gonna be skating because my arm's still fucked up. So I'm just here to hang out, here for moral support, and Sam Tabor's here, so I brought this. I don't know, yeah. So I gotta hop this fence. Sam here is gonna help me film in case this goes horribly wrong.
Hello, I don't want Dale to get hurt. Is it filming, Dale?
Does it say record at the bottom right?
Oh yeah, left, yes it is.
Can you go down there to the left?
Oh God, this is hard.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, I just can't extend it, so it's like... What's up, dude? Oh, I just gotta be very careful with how I do this.
Maybe your best bet is falling to your side.
Should I just...
Yeah, just do backflip.
Oh, there we go.
You actually did that way more gracefully than I did.
Wow, I can't believe I did it that gracefully.
Do you know how scary it would be to be Jaws?
And jump off things that like you're not supposed to?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be insane. So I successfully made it over with one arm, thanks to Sam. And this is the spot. Look how perfect these rails are. They're literally perfect. As badly as I want to skate this, I'm gonna try with every ounce of brain cells that I have left to not skate so that I don't risk re-hurting my arm.
I won't let you.
You won't let me skate?
No.
All right, thank you.
We're gonna start fist fighting if you skate.
All right, that's perfect because I can't fist fight. But I do have to say that this is one of my favorite spots. It's very fun. These rails are perfect. And the day that I'm here, I cannot skate it.
Give it a solid 4.5 out of 5.
A 9 out of 10.
Yeah, like 2 enthusiastic thumbs up.
I'm just gonna complain for 10 minutes about my injury. Just so that I can have a video.
Can you title your video that?
Me complaining for 10 minutes?
About my injury.
That's actually so funny. I should do a compilation. Fine,
Daddy,
fine.
up?
Oh, hey. He's calling Daddy?
What's the shoulder?
Look at it. It's bruised.
Still bruised?
Yeah, but it's good. It's like, I can extend it this much now. It's getting more and more progress day by day. I'm talking to Haley though, guys. Haley, say hi.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Haley said that I should get one clip in the sling.
I don't condone this though, just in case you get hurt.
Right, you don't condone it, but it was your idea.
Right.
Hopefully we don't blow it and smash the fucking elbow.
If you do, it's not my fault.
It's weird because I feel fine because my ankles and feet and everything are
Yeah.
But like my arm is just like fuck.
Just
Like
don't
if
slam.
like all I need to do is take one bad fall on my elbow and I'm fucked.
I don't know about this. Maybe you should go for something safe, like a nollie flip. Okay.
It's hard because I want to like throw my arm. It's like counterintuitive because I just like I have to consciously keep my arm down. Sam. Yeah. I need content, so I'm gonna film this.
I'm getting hung up on this trick, Dale. My back hurts so bad, it's insane.
How long have you been a handboarder?
35 years.
You are something the whole universe is doing in the same way that a wave is something that the whole ocean is doing. The real you is not a puppet which life pushes around. The real deep down you is the whole universe. So then, when you die, you're not going to have to put up with everlasting non-existence, because that's not an experience. A lot of people are afraid that when they die, they're going to be locked up in a dark room forever. And sort of undergo that. But one of the most interesting things in the world, this is a yoga, this is a way of realization. Try and imagine what it will be like to go to sleep and never wake up.
Do you want this corner?
Yeah.
You do? Oh my gosh, what the heck, Dale? It's in your freaking earlobe. What?
God damn it, I don't understand. No, you're good. It's already recording. All right, Haley. Haley, tase me. Do it.
Wait, I don't want to mess with that.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, let's get it.
All right, come on. I'm ready.
What?
I'm a man. I have testosterone. Let's go.
We should do a skit where like you try to come at me.
Yeah, run around the corner, like run around the corner.
That's just gonna make me look
Hey, what if
terrible.
what if she tastes you on your bad arm and it like fixed her like, oh shit,
yeah, you should
what?
try that.
Nah, I'm just I'm not. I don't listen to my
I feel
logic.
bad.
No. This is content.
Okay.
All right, you ready? Are you recording? Wait.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do it once.
But like hold it for like a second.
Okay.
Do it.
I'll move away.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Hold on.
Oh shit.
Hold it. Hold it.
Okay.
Alright.
Whoa, you can like see the mark kind of.
Really?
Nah,
Fuck.
you're good.
Oh, dude. All right, one more.
What happens when you like hold the actual
It
button?
stops because I let go of the button.
Don't let go of it.
Yeah, don't let go.
Okay.
Oh god.
I was holding it. It was just like going up your arm.
Bye.
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 Sunday's off, so I can come
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Hey, man.
Hey, you killed it.
Thanks, bro.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for tasing me, asshole.
problem.
Sam. Bye.
Are you leaving?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Home.
All right.
Bye, sir. Hey, wait. Bye.
Taking off?
Yeah, William. Hi. I didn't say hi to you yet, but bye. I hope you get this.
Thanks. You ready? I'm gonna land it right here.
All right, let's get it. I just want to say bye. I know you're FaceTime.
You out here?
Yes, bye.
Are you coming out tomorrow?
I would love to.
Yeah, you should.
Okay.
I'll text device you. Do you have a cellular
I have
mobile device?
I have a cellular mobile device.
Perfect. I'll do it on that.
All right, I love you. Bye.
All right, love you too. Bye.
My guy. Bye. I'm saying bye on camera to everyone so they know it's real. Peace, bro. What's your name? I don't know it. Gabby?
Yeah.
Dale. Nice to meet you. So I've gotten this question numerous times on my channel since I started it, why I don't ride for Revive. I've always thought it was very obvious why I don't, because I've stated in multiple videos the fact that I do already skate for BLUETILE Skate Shop and BLUETILE as a board brand, although that has never really been publicly announced. That is something that Dave Toole, owner of BLUETILE, he wants to make BLUETILE a legitimate board brand, and that in and of itself is a reason why I've never tried to actually pursue riding for Revive. And I think they know that. They're aware that David is trying to make BLUETILE a board brand, all because, you know, not only have they seen my videos, but they talk to David as well, which might be a reason why they have also never pursued or asked me to ride for him. Andy has publicly said many times Revive is, like, obviously all of those guys are amazing skateboarders. They're all insanely good, like Thomas Alvarez, Sam Vestal, everyone kills it on that team. It's more of a family-based company rather than just trying to build like the biggest skate army possible. They all just skate together and have fun, and it's a family, and that's what Revive is. I mean, they feel like family to me because when I first met them, they're just so insanely nice. And they just welcome anybody into their posse with open arms, and it's amazing. It's great. That's why I love skating with those guys, and it's always a good time because everyone's always just hanging out, laughing, skating, having fun. It's never like too much pressure. You don't feel like cool guyed out of the clique or anything, and everyone's making videos. So it's just like a fun, friendly, like safe environment where you don't have to feel like you need to put on your best skate attire, and you don't need to impress anybody. You just go out and skate and have fun, like what skateboarding is. I don't want to get too far off topic in answering this question. I've talked about Revive a bunch in other videos where I haven't titled it about Revive. If you've seen those other videos, you know like my stance on it. I think Revive is amazing, and like all those dudes are amazing. But that's the reason I haven't pursued it. They haven't pursued it. Although, like, I would. If the BLUETILE thing wasn't there, like, I totally would. I would love to, if they asked me. And the reason I would is because Revive feels like how a skateboarding company and team should run. Even if you're like a new member of their friend group, they look out for you as if they have been friends with you for years. They're just super nice, super open arms, super welcoming. That's the kind of people I want to surround myself with, because I feel like it encourages me to do better and to skate better, and it just feels overall good and healthy for my, not only my mentality, but like my well-being as a person. That got way deeper than I intended it to. On the other hand, blue tile also feels the same way to me. The progression on my arm's getting better. I can slowly but surely extend it more and more day by day. I had a doctor's appointment the other day because I was worried that there was maybe a bone sticking out of place, and that's why it was preventing me from straightening it out, because it's almost been 2 weeks. It'll be 2 weeks tomorrow. Today's Friday. So I was expecting it to be like at least have full range within 2 weeks, but I still can't fully straighten it out, and it hurts when I wake up in the morning. I'll probably start skating, but I'm not gonna be trying anything hard where I'm gonna risk falling down on my arm, because if I pop it back out again, it's just gonna be another hospital bill, and that does not sound like anything I want right now. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the slamming stuff, all the new stuff's in the description. I'll see you guys next time.